Yes, hello Ron. This is Ray, and I wanted to make this short video for you showing you how you can edit your website. This is your website. This is the website that I made for you. As you can see, it's completely different than the old website that you had before coming over and asking for a makeover. And you can see it's got a lot of neat features on the home page. You have a rotating banner, you have an intro video here, and then you have the bottom, the real large colorful bottom buttons that lead to the separate pages of your website, such as upcoming events, interviews that you do, music center. And these also, the top here is a navigation bar to the other pages and sections of your website. So as soon as you land on the home page, you're presented with all of the links to the main sections of your website here, and then the subsections here. You're presented with an intro video, and also a nice rotating flash banner to make it, to give it a real nice modern look. Now, there are components of your website that you cannot edit yourself, and that's simply for your own protection to protect the integrity of the website. And a lot of those components have to do with the framework of the website, such as the background graphics, how the flash banner works, the videos, basically the home page layout here. Anything that you cannot edit yourself, anything that we've not set up in the admin area for you to be able to edit, if you want to change any of those items, just send an email to the support department. We'll take care of it for you. And of course, we do that to protect the website. We do, however, give you access in the admin area to edit the separate pages of your website, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So pretty much, you can edit about 85% of your website yourself. Any other component or part that you can't edit yourself, just send an email to us and we'll take care of it for you. Let me go ahead and log you into the back panel of the website, and you'll notice the neat thing about it is that it's online. You don't need any software programs or anything like that to edit your website. It's all done online. So you can edit your website anywhere from the world. As long as you have internet access, you can edit your website. And I actually, sometimes I'm out and about and I need to edit one of my websites. I need to make a quick change. I do it through my phone because I have internet access with my phone. So if you have internet access on a browser such as an iPhone or one of the more current Android phones, you can edit your website on your phone even, as long as you can access the internet. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. I've already emailed you the link to the section where you put in your username and password to edit your website. I've already sent you these details, so I'm not going to go over it here. Now, what you do is simply enter your username and password, click login, and once you log into the admin area, you're presented with the dashboard, which shows you a summary of your user forum. Now, you requested a custom feature on your website, which is a forum where people can have discussions and chat with each other back and forth on your website. And that's set up here. As you can see, this is your forum. And I've gone ahead and set up a test category under general discussion called hip hop rap discussions. And I've already made a test post to make sure that it works, and it works perfectly. Now, as soon as you decide what other categories you want for your chat forum, so that people can choose which forum they want to join and which topics they want to chat on, just send me a list of those subcategories and I'll set them up for you. But I did this general hip hop and rap discussion forum. If you click on it, you'll see that I've already made a test post to make sure that it works. And this is my post. My username is Potent1, just testing this forum out. And if you click on it, you'll see the actual post. And like with any forum, you can reply to it. You can have an ongoing discussion. So you can even select what you can upload a picture here. You can insert little smiley faces. It's a full-featured forum. Now, when you log into your back panel, you're going to be presented with a summary of your most recent members, the most recent topics, discussions that people are talking about. So you get a little summary of your forum. Now, if you want to edit the separate pages of your website. So for example, let's go to the upcoming events. If you click on upcoming events, if we go here, let's go to this page and I'll show you how to edit it. And it's a little bit slow because I'm recording this video at the same time. Of course, your website, as you know, is a lot faster, but I'm recording at the same time, so it slows it down a little bit. But this is one of the pages of your website. Now, many of the pages of your website have content in them already that I've set up for you, as you can see here. Okay, and you notice that on the sidebar of each of these pages, I have links to your Facebook, I have links to your Twitter, links to your forum, and these also link to separate pages of your website. So let's click on the page where artists can submit their music. You see, I've already entered a form here for people to submit their music. So you do have content set up on the pages already, but there are some pages that you need to come up with your own content, and I'm going to show you how to edit the content and add new content right now. So all you do is you simply go to Pages, and you select the page that you want to edit. Very simple. You select the page that you want to edit, so let's go ahead and let's edit the events page. All you do, now I always recommend that you do a full edit, not a quick edit, okay? And all you do is, if you want to view what the page looks like, you can click View, or you can just simply go to Edit. And you can see that you're presented with an area here that you can edit the content on the page. So let's go ahead and go to the events page right now that we're going to edit, and I'm going to show you how you do that. Now, when you log on to the back panel, always make sure that you're in visual mode. You have two modes here. You have HTML, which is showing you the raw code, and then you have the visual. Always make sure you're in the visual tab, and you can tell by the buttons here that you're in visual tab, and it'll be shaded. Also make sure that if you don't have two rows of buttons, to click on this little icon here, because there's more options underneath. So always make sure you have two rows of editing buttons. Now, if you've ever written a letter in Microsoft Word or WordPerfect, you'll notice right away that these look very familiar. You have the bold button, the button to change the color of the font. You can even do a spell check here. So as you can see, it's very intuitive. Let's go ahead and go to the page that we're going to edit, which is the events page, because right now we're on the events page. And all you do is enter your content here. You just begin to type. You can make text bold by simply selecting it, clicking bold, and there you go. You can change the color of the text as well by simply selecting the text, changing the color here to whatever color you like. Alright, this is yellow. Let's go ahead and change it to red. And this is the page that we're editing right now. This is how it looks now, and we're currently editing it. Okay, now you can even make lines centered by simply selecting it and hitting center up here. So as you can see, it's very simple to edit the website. And these buttons here are very much similar to Microsoft Word or WordPerfect or just about any word processing program. If you've used one of those before, you'll be able to make sense of these buttons here. Here, if you want to make something link, if you want to link to another website, or a page to your website, just click the link button, and every time you move your mouse over one of these buttons, it tells you what it is. So click on link and type in where you want to link to. Alright,